What if your body is trying to warn you, but you're ignoring the signs? Vitamin D deficiency is a hidden epidemic affecting over 1 billion people worldwide. Most people don't even realize they're lacking this essential nutrient until their health starts to suffer. Today, I'll reveal the shocking signs your body is begging for vitamin D and how to fix it fast. Stay till the end, because I'll share the best ways to boost your vitamin D levels naturally. Before we get into the warning signs, let's quickly understand why vitamin D is so crucial for your health. Vitamin D is more than just a vitamin. It acts like a hormone, controlling over 200 functions in your body. It strengthens your bones and muscles, boosts your immune system, supports heart health, improves your mood and brain function. Without enough vitamin D, your body starts breaking down. Let's go over the warning signs before it's too late. Alright, let's go over the symptoms you should never ignore. Do you feel exhausted all the time, even after a full night's sleep? Low vitamin D means your body can't produce enough energy. This leads to feeling drained, sluggish, or weak, constantly needing coffee or naps, feeling better after being in the sun. That's a clue. If your energy levels crash in the afternoon, your body might be craving vitamin D. 2. Bone pain and weakness. Do your bones or lower back ache for no reason? Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Without it, your bones get weak and brittle. You're at risk for fractures or osteoporosis. Joint stiffness and pain increase. If your legs or back ache, especially at night, it could be due to a vitamin D deficiency. 3. Mood swings and depression. Have you been feeling down, irritable, or anxious? Vitamin D boosts serotonin, the brain's happy hormone. Low levels increase the risk of depression and seasonal mood disorders, brain fog and trouble focusing, anxiety and irritability. If gloomy weather affects your mood, your brain might be running low on vitamin D. For hair loss and slow hair growth. Noticing more hair falling out in the shower, vitamin D is essential for hair follicle health. Deficiency can lead to thinning hair, bald patches, slow hair growth. If you're shedding more than usual, it's time to check your vitamin D levels. 5. Weak immune system. Do you get sick often or take longer to recover? Vitamin D helps fight infections and supports immune health. Without it, you're prone to frequent colds and flu, slow healing wounds, inflammation and allergies. If you're always catching whatever's going around, vitamin D might be the missing link. 6. Muscle weakness and cramps. Does your body feel weak or sore, even without working out? Vitamin D supports muscle strength and nerve function. Deficiency can cause leg and back cramps, muscle twitches and weakness. Increased risk of falling, especially in older adults. If your muscles feel shaky or weak, your body could be screaming for vitamin D. You might be wondering, am I at risk for vitamin D deficiency, or more likely to be deficient if you spend most of your time indoors, live in a cold or cloudy area, have darker skin, as melanin blocks vitamin D absorption, are over 50 years old, since aging reduces vitamin D production? Eat a low-fat or vegan diet. If you check 2 or more of these boxes, it's time to take action. Alright. If you're low on vitamin D, what can you do? 1. Get more sunlight. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes daily without sunscreen. Best time, morning or late afternoon for better absorption. 2. Eat vitamin D-rich foods. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. Egg yolks, mushrooms. Fortified dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese. 3. Take a vitamin D supplement. Choose vitamin D3 for the best absorption. Recommended dose: 1000 to 5000 IU per day. But consult your doctor first. Let's recap. The major warning signs of vitamin D deficiency: fatigue and low energy, bone pain and weakness, mood swings and depression, hair loss, weak immune system, muscle weakness and cramps. Fix it by getting more sunlight, eating vitamin D-rich foods, and taking a supplement if needed. Now that you know the signs, Don't ignore them. Check your symptoms and take action today. Have you ever experienced these symptoms? Comment below and share your experience. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with friends and family to help them stay healthy. Subscribe for more health tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.